go to the rectangle tool in Affinity Photo and create a quick rectangle. When you get that, go over here to the fill and set it to maybe red. Also go over here to stroke and change the stroke colour. You can also set the stroke width. Maybe go for something like that, about 30, 23, etc. Then you go to Edit and Defaults and Synchronize from Selection. So Synchronize from Selection, then Edit and down to Defaults again and Save. Get rid of that. What you can also do, just go down here to Artistic Text Tool, create some text. So I'm just going to create text and I'm going to resize that. I'm going to go with, say, 144. Also, I can go for maybe Arial Black. Also, again, I can go down to the rectangle tool and I can change the fill colour. So I'm going to go with, say, red. And also I'm going for strokes. So I'm just going to go black and I'm going to set it to something like 5, say. Again, Edit, Defaults and Synchronize from Selection. Edit, Defaults and Save. Now when I restart Affinity Photo, which I'm just going to do, just going to quit out of there, it will use those as the default. So go to File and New, create a new document. Then once I've done that, just go over here again to the rectangle tool and create your rectangle. And you can see now it's defaulted to that, or any of the other shapes. Ellipse tool, all of them will have that as the default. Also, if you go to the text tool, simply type some text and text there. You've got now that as the default. You can reset everything. If you want to, you can go to Edit and Defaults and Revert. So if you've got that, reverts to the previous one. You can also set it back to the factory reset. So just factory reset, and that will put it back to the factory, the first obviously text, or also for here. So if you go back to this one, you can see that's back to the factory reset. However, what you need to do, because it doesn't work completely, is you need to go to Edit and Defaults and Synchronize from Selection, Edit, Defaults and Save. And likewise for this, go to Edit, Defaults, Synchronize and also Edit and Save. Otherwise, it will not remember. It will be still using the old one before. You need to save it. Hope you found this of interest. Thank you much.